Today I'm gonna be assembling belonging self-assembling milk chocolate mousse from IKEA. So why don't we begin with the assembly part of the belonging. Yes. So it comes in this nice plastic wrap with pieces because remember, self-assembly. All right, let's open up this mousse. There's a mousse. There we go. All right, got the first layer of plastic off. Got the second layer of plastic off. Alrighty, we got the moose legs, I think, and we got the moose body and back legs. Moose, this moose wants to eat this moose. Alright, can assemble. There we go. And then we can have one moose thing. Can assemble that. Can assemble that. You want to have this moose? Oh no, you're going after it. I don't know. I think it broke a little when I dropped it. Yeah, there is the moose. Do you want the moose? This might be too much chocolate for you. Alright, so here's moose. It's flat 3D. Yes, it's 2.5D. It's a mousse, and we taste test it now. Alright, so here's a tiny bit of the mousse horn. Oh no! Ooh. Very hard. It's been sitting in a fridge for about half a year, I'd say. Alrighty, it tastes like chocolate and mousse. We give it a thumbs up. Alrighty, so that was the belonging self-assembly milk chocolate mousse from IKEA. Looks like still wants it. Alright, I go that way now. Into the doggy's mouth. Whee! Ah!